We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and unbiased overview of the Unicorn Castle Stuffed Animal Net Hammock Kids Toy Storage with LED light. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description and using it supports the channel. The Unicorn Castle Stuffed Animal Net Hammock is designed as a practical and decorative solution for organizing plush toys in children's rooms. Manufactured by Unicorn Castle Mart, this product is made from premium polyester mesh and features a unique rainbow color net, making it visually appealing for nurseries, playrooms, and especially girls' bedrooms. The hammock's dimensions are generous, expanding to 47 by 47 by 80 inches, and its triangle structure is optimized to fit snugly in any corner, maximizing storage while minimizing the use of floor space. This design is particularly appreciated by parents and caregivers looking to keep stuffed animals off the ground and out of the way, which also helps protect cherished toys from pets and contributes to a tidier environment. One of the standout features of this hammock is the inclusion of an LED string light, which offers 8 different lighting modes. The lights are not pre-attached to the net, requiring users to thread them through the mesh manually. This aspect has received mixed feedback. Many users appreciate the added ambiance and the ability to customize the lighting, noting that it makes the hammock a cozy and inviting display for plush collections. The remote control and timer functions are praised for their convenience, allowing children to enjoy different lighting effects and parents to set automatic shut-off times. However, some users have found the process of threading the lights to be tedious and time-consuming. The LED wire is described as fragile, with a few reviewers reporting that the lights did not work after installation, particularly if the wire became tangled or damaged during setup. It is important to note that the lights require AA batteries, which are not included in the package. In terms of storage capacity, the hammock's elastic edge allows it to stretch and accommodate a substantial number of stuffed animals, including larger plush toys such as squishmallows. Most reviewers report that the net holds up well under the weight of multiple toys and that the mesh is strong enough for regular use. The product's ability to expand and contract as needed is a significant advantage, making it suitable for growing collections. The included wall hooks and anchors simplify installation, and users commonly describe the setup process as straightforward, with most installations taking around 20 minutes. The net's corner design is particularly effective for rooms with limited space, as it utilizes otherwise unused areas and helps keep floors clear for play or other furniture. Aesthetically, the rainbow mesh and twinkle lights are frequently cited as highlights. The hammock serves not only as a storage solution, but also as a decorative element that enhances the overall look of a child's room. Children are often delighted by the whimsical appearance and the magical effect of the LED lights, which can transform the storage area into a focal point. The product is also noted for being affordable, offering good value for its price point compared to other toy storage options. Despite these strengths, there are some recurring criticisms. The most common complaint concerns the LED lights. While many users enjoy the effect once installed, others are frustrated by the delicate nature of the wires and the manual threading process. Some reviewers report that the lights fail to work after installation, either due to manufacturing defects or damage incurred during setup. Additionally, a few users feel that the mesh is thinner than expected, raising concerns about long-term durability, especially if the hammock is overloaded or handled roughly. Another point of contention is the actual storage capacity. While many find it sufficient, some users with very large collections of stuffed animals feel that the net does not hold as much as they had hoped. The product's overall rating, based on nearly 1,000 customer reviews, stands at 4.2 out of 5 stars. This suggests a generally positive reception, with the majority of buyers satisfied with their purchase. Positive feedback centers on the ease of installation, the attractive appearance, and the ability to keep rooms organized and tidy. The hammock is especially popular among parents and grandparents seeking a way to manage clutter while adding a touch of fun to a child's space. The product's affordability and the inclusion of decorative lighting are also strong selling points. On the other hand, negative reviews primarily focus on the quality and usability of the LED lights, the perceived thinness of the mesh, and occasional disappointment with the storage capacity. Some users advise potential buyers to temper their expectations regarding the lights and to handle the wire with care during installation. Others recommend the product primarily for lightweight or medium-sized plush toys rather than very large or heavy items. From a usability perspective, the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock excels in providing a simple and effective way to declutter children's rooms. Its corner design and elastic edge make it adaptable to different spaces and collections. The installation process is accessible for most users, and the included hardware ensures that the hammock can be securely mounted. The addition of LED lighting adds a customizable and playful element that many children enjoy, although it does introduce an extra step during setup. In summary, the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock is a thoughtfully designed storage solution that combines functionality with decorative appeal. Its strengths lie in its large, expandable capacity, corner-friendly design, and the added charm of customizable LED lights. It is well suited for families seeking to organize plush toys in a way that is both practical and visually engaging. While there are some concerns about the durability of the mesh and the fragility of the LED wires, the majority of users report positive experiences, particularly when the product is used as intended and with reasonable care during installation. The product's popularity, reflected in its high sales rank and strong customer ratings, attests to its effectiveness and appeal. If you are considering the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock for your home, it is important to be aware of the potential challenges with the LED lights and to ensure that the hammock is not overloaded beyond its intended capacity. For those seeking an affordable, attractive, and space-saving solution for toy storage, this product represents a compelling option. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more and to support the channel. If you have personal experience with this item, please share your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.